Hello, everybody. We've received an incredible amount of rain over the last couple of weeks, and I haven't even been outside for at least 5 days to a week. I planted a few trees on the patio, but I didn't actually even move over and walk over to the gazebo. It's just been really wet, and I was under the weather, and I didn't want to keep walking out in the damp air. But I'm doing much better, thank God, and I'm going to venture out and show you what's going on. How much water is still in there. It's going down over there. I might plant that dwarf apple tree there. I'm not really sure. Knowing me, I'm thinking I'll put it right here in this container. Yes, I'm going to plant that apple tree right there in that container. I grew a lot of peppers in that container, and I'll just add some compost and other soil amendments. Today is the first time in a week that I've actually walked all the way outside and around the patio. I completely forgot about the spinach and beets I was growing in 6-packs. Yeah, 6 packs were sitting in that. And here they are now over here. I think they're going to be fine. And they will dry out. Have a lot of fruit on this lemon tree. Yes. 5 right there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And, of course, I've been picking them off and eating them. There's a lot of fruit right there. This satsuma hasn't bloomed yet. But I see yellowing of leaves, and we're going to have to get these in the house. And here are the sugar apples. And I see damage. But, I'm not tripping because it happens. There's nothing I can do about it. 2 avocado trees right here and here. Yeah. And that is a Japanese plum loquat from seed. And here's a starter plant that looks ridiculous. What? I was tripping before. I'm not bringing these plants in the house. It is too soon. It'll be 67 degrees in a few days. If we don't see any sun, I'm going to hang me some grow lights from the top of the gazebo and just let them get some light that way. Thank you for watching. Bye now.